Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Mike Adler. I'm the Chief Technology and Product Officer for N-able. I'm excited to share with you all the updates we made to Insight during Q3. First and foremost, we enhanced our vulnerability management features, including the ability to export larger sets of data. We included new vulnerability details that are deeper and linked directly back into our asset views. We've also introduced new third-party applications and the vulnerabilities that are created there directly into those views. We're really working hard to make vulnerability management a key part of your overall flow, helping you reduce cyber risk within the environment. Speaking of asset views, we've continued to enhance the asset view, but also want to ensure that technicians can move between our new asset view and our more traditional views with enhanced deep linking. This will allow technicians to adapt their workflows as we continue to enhance the asset view capability set. Speaking of enhancements, we enhanced asset view with real-time metrics, including CPU and memory utilization in a graph form. There'll be more metrics to be added, but these new views will make it easier to diagnose an asset and speed up time to resolution when using asset view. These real-time metrics are building on our new standard remote background manager view. Every technician can choose between the standard view or the advanced view to help them speed up remote diagnosis and remediation tasks. We feel that most tasks will be able to be done through the standard view, which has less clicks and will be easier for technicians to use on a daily basis. We also shipped some enhancements to the reporting engine, including the introduction of a patch management column, which details the policies assigned to devices. We've enhanced automated task reports to provide better performance by having them run in the background. Each of these will enhance the reporting experience that you get from Insight. We are also excited to release asset tagging. This new mechanism for grouping assets will provide new ways to act on collections of assets and to define them. We have started with what we call static tags, which are tags that you create and assign to an asset. You'll be able to view, sort, filter, and eventually be able to assign policy and take actions based on the groups of devices that you define within these tags. We will be introducing system tags for default views, for things that we know about, things like operating systems and hardware manufacturers. And we'll add these by default into the asset tag mechanism. And then we'll be introducing dynamic tags, which will automatically allow you to define rules and filters that will add tags to devices as they qualify for those tags based on the rules that you specify. Look for continued updates on using asset tags in the near future. We also released a continuation of our new agent framework. This update is transparent to technicians and to users, but simplifies the agent upgrade process and makes the agent more resilient to the changing IT environments that every single one of our customers is operating in today. Q4 is going to continue the rapid pace of innovation for Insight. We'll be introducing Linux patching, which is in limited technical preview right now. This expansion of capability will allow organizations to update applications and operating system components for a wide variety of Linux flavors. This will simplify the management of Linux devices for all of our customers and allow you complete visibility and remediation across the IT infrastructure. For vulnerability management, we will be introducing a large export feature for those organizations that need to export over 100,000 rows. We'll also be adding new information around operating system-specific vulnerabilities and predictive exploitability scoring known as CISA KEV. In addition, we'll be adding a scan-on-demand feature to allow an asset to be updated on demand so you can see the impact of any remediation steps that you were taking almost immediately. In Q4, we'll also be adding support for Entra ID authentication directly to Insight. This new capability will allow an administrator to specify that Insight should use Entra ID to authenticate users of Insight and take advantage of conditional access rules directly within Entra ID. This is a new capability that'll simplify the administration of users within Insight. Asset views will continue to be enhanced in Q4 with new fields, including a column indicating if a reboot is pending on a device, the operating system code name as opposed to just the version number. Virtual machine specific fields will be added, BitLocker status, and many others. Asset views continues to be innovated on as we continue to drive that as the primary way that we want technicians to be able to remediate any issues with devices that exist within the organization. You can always check out what is coming in Insight by looking at the public roadmap on our website. We continue to innovate and drive Insight forward to make it the best possible system for our customers. I look forward to talking to you in Q4 about our Q4 delivery and our plans for 2026 and beyond.